Hi people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be tying a bridal style, a trending one for that matter. So what I'm using is Sego to tie this one. So the length is 19. So what I did was first bring out my 1 inch, fold it, and then make a proper V. So the V I did is what I did there is 75-25 because it is Sego. So what I did was 25-75. So I'll first arrange it and bring 75 under and 25 on top. So the one that I'm going to use to tie this one is the 75. So I'll bring it up and arrange my pleats. So whatever pleats that I got from whatever number I got while doing the pleats from the other side is what I'm doing the other side. If I got like 5, I'm putting on 5 here. So when I'm done arranging it, I will use my pin and hold it. I'll use my pin and hold it. So this tutorial is for some persons that have been meaning to tie these trending styles and doesn't know how to tie it. So when you are done using your pin to hold it, so the next thing you do is to start picking your pleats one after the other. It's not just to pick pleats all through. You understand? It's not just to pick pleats all through. What you do while picking this pleat is you pick small down, you pick big up, small down, big up, small down, big up. So now I picked like 2. So what I will do here is to continue picking. So you see the way I'm picking it, small down, big up, small down, big up. So at a point you have to drag it out small, which I did initially. So you start picking it. You don't have to rush the style. You don't have to rush anything. You just have to carefully watch. And while trying this at home, you just have to calm down and do it. So this is how I will keep picking it. So once you are done picking it and you know that you're picking it very well, like the way it's ought to be, you see that the remaining gele will be slant, and it will help you to arrange your gele very well and pick it nicely. Then this is what you have. So what I did at the back was just to use pin to just hold it. It's not a must. I just want to hold it because I still have a long journey to go with this style. So now I'm done picking down. So what I'll do is just to come up. Once I come up, I'll arrange it according to the lines that I picked. According to the lines that I picked, I will just gently arrange it. See the way I'm arranging it. So what I'm doing here is that once I trace a line, I'll come the other side and trace it down. Once I trace it, I'll come the other side and trace it down. So I'll make sure that all the lines are well gotten and are well arranged. And while doing this part, make sure you don't miss a line because it will definitely affect you. So you see what I'm doing? I'm making sure that I'm picking all the lines while taking out the other side so it doesn't scatter. So this is what you will be doing till you are done picking the lines, because it's what you picked from the beginning that will help you to know how many lines you are tracing. So now I'll keep picking and I'll keep arranging. You see how it is looking now? You see how it is looking? You gently arrange it so it doesn't scatter. I'll keep picking. At this point now, you notice that this side now is slant. It will help you to pick to a reasonable amount. So this is what we're able to have. So I felt like to arrange this while I told my mother to hold the SSAs that are left behind. Then I asked someone else to hold the other side for me because I'm about to. So now, because I'm about to pick, because I arranged it before and I didn't really get what I wanted. I mean, for the SSCs. So now I'm done arranging it again. So I'll pick a little reasonable amount from behind to hold the SSCs. I just needed to hold it with just one pin. But please, while doing this side, if you know that your pin might disappoint you, please use double pin or even use tray. It's okay. So now I've already hold it. So I told the person holding it for me to leave it. This is now where the main work is. So I'll collect the first. I'll just tell her to hold it small for me. Those SSCs. Why I collect the one she's holding. The one she's holding, I'll use pin. I'll use pin and hold it. This one you have to use pin to hold it. So I'll have to use pin and hold it. If you know that it's going to disappoint you, hold it 2 to 3 places so you can feel comfortable while tying this scarf. So now I'll just arrange it. I'll make it as if I'm trying to tie round. So this side should just be all about round. No tie attached. Nothing is attached in this side. So it's just tying round. I'll just pick my pleat all through. All through round. Then this is what we have. Then the one that she's holding, I'll bring it together. I'll make sure everything is well arranged. As you people can see, it is arranged. I'll just tell her, please hold it for me while I tie both of them together. You see? So now, she have hold it, and I'm tying it now because I have to tie both of them together. I'll bring everything together and tie it. So I'll tie it. One thing I wanted to know about this, why tying it, you see that last one I picked, the one that I used to make my round. The last one I picked that I used to make my round. Why tying it? Make sure that one is at the back. Why the 75 one is the one that at the front. Like the one that I'm holding. This one that I'm holding now is my 75. That one is one that is meant to be in front. Because if I use that 25 O, it will be small. So is that my 75 that I'm using? So I'll just collect small from that 25. Obele small. I'll just collect small. I'll collect small. And I'll hold it. So now what I'll do is just to start forming my rows. You see? I repeated this side again to be more clear so people understand what I'm doing. So I'll use pin to hold it. Then I'll come to the back and now fold everything. The job of 25 on is over. I'll fold everything. And I'll pin it. The job is over. We have come to the end of the 25 on. So once I pin it, now this is what we have. It's now 2. There's now a demarcation. So I'll now start forming my rows. So I'll start forming my rows here. See? I'll start forming my rows here. So there's one thing about these rows forming, so you don't make a mistake. While forming the rows, make just a little ruffle inside to be able to gather everything together. Make a little ruffle while you twist it. Just a little ruffle. So to be able to give you what you want. because some people will definitely find it difficult to make these rows. That is why I'm giving you people this expo. A little ruffle inside will help you to make a proper rose. See the way mine is, just a little ruffle. Then when you are done with it, you use your pin and still hold it. You see, it will not look too big, it will not look too small, it will not even look like it's hanging. There's some rows that when you are done making it, once you look at it, it looks like the rose is hanging. No, this one doesn't make that, doesn't look like that once you follow this my procedure. So now what I did there was just to use pin and to pin it to the body of the gele. So always make sure that is well arranged. I'll pin it to the body of gele. I pinned it twice because when I was pinning the other one, I didn't pin it well. So I still left it because the pin I put there still serves. So now I'll pin it to the fan of the gele. You see the way it's mounting and standing on its own without looking as if it's being chased out. So now this is what we have. So now I had to leave the other one. I'm done with this row. So I had to leave the other one. So to all my subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you. To my new subscribers, thank you for coming around. And to my old subscribers, thank you for sticking around. God bless you all for me as you watch to the end of this beautiful tutorial that I have for you guys. So now this is what we're able to have. We have double rows at the side. So that is the game. This is just the trending bridal style on board. For those that have seen this style and wish to tie it but always finding difficult to tie it, this is for you. So make sure you share, like, comment. If you have not on our notification button, on the notification button to always get notified anytime we post a new video.